Hello all, welcome to our session 2 of digital marketing subject. We are going to see how to create a digital marketing strategy. There are 6 important steps that we have to remember, and apart from that we are going to see a diagram and image where you will have a clear idea about what all things are involved in creation of digital marketing strategy. Strategy, in easy words, can be a plan or a plot. We are deciding something in advance about the future. You, as a marketer, when we adopt digital marketing, we should see what all platforms are available and what idea am I going to use to make the marketing more successful than ever. First is to build your buyer personas. So this is somewhere about we talk about the target audiences part. I cannot sell everything to anybody. So I need to target the audiences properly. I need to divide them according to my need of the product, what they want, what they do not want. I need to study the demography, and then proper segmentation will be done of the market. After that, the second strategy, the second step, that is identify your goals and the digital marketing tools you will need. Obviously, any marketer's goal will be increasing sales and getting profits. Here, the marketers will think about how am I be going to be efficient to invite that internet traffic to my site? How am I providing the things? Is it more user friendly or not? Is the user liking my app? Is he visiting my website? So we will see what are the tools available and what we need, which is suiting us the best. Third is evaluating your existing digital channels and assets. So there may be some channels, there may be some distribution, or there may be some kind of tie ups that we have. What digital channels were unsuccessful in the last campaign? We are going to skip that and we are going to work upon how we can improve it in better way. Audit and plan your own media campaigns. Auditing is very important. It is a critical examination where we are going to invite some agencies which are going to keep a vigil, which are going to regulate our functions digitally, and these all things are again very important. When we own any media campaign, auditing is must. For example, if I say Audit Bureau of Circulation looks after the publications, newspaper, and any printed form in our country. So, like that, different organizations are going to keep a watch, and we have to keep on do the filing. The survey will be conducted. A proper audit is required. Next is identify your goals and the digital marketing tools you will need. So again, this point is same like point number 2, but we are coming close towards the implementation part. When I know what are my alternatives, when I know what are the objectives, I have clear statement formulated in my mind what I'm going to cater to the audiences. So then again, I will select the best evaluation. I will select the best option out of what are alternatives I have kept, and then again you need to keep a focus on what all audit you are going to do. And guys, the link has been already shared on the Moodle, so you people can go through this. The next thing we are going to see is the picture, how a digital marketing strategy works. If you simply type digital marketing strategy, that will give you a go to images. These images will be popping up on your screen, so you can just see the important elements are listed now. First is an engaging website. If you can see, you have to keep it engaged. You have to engage the audiences where it will give the maximum impact. And very, very important, your website should be responsive. It should be updated always. And that should represent your company, that should suit your company's goal. If your company is involved into marketing of, say, something that you're operating on local level, so that should have a focus on that. It should not have focus on something else. Second is search engine optimization. Very, very important. It is a process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results and pages, that will drive traffic to your website. So this is also important. It depends on the keywords that we frame, it depends on the keywords that we use, and that should match with what the customer is typing. Then the content marketing, as I told in the last class also, the advertisement message, the marketing message, and what kind of content. If it is not creative, people are not going to like the advertisement. You cannot draw sufficient traffic to your website. So you need to be very careful about how are you creating brand awareness, how are you getting the traffic growth, and that will lead to generation of demand and also inviting more public, that is target customers are going to come. The fourth important element is email strategy. There are people who often do not reply to the emails. We consider them as spam, but there are marketers which will depend on email marketing, where they will send an email just to promote their content, can also offer discounts. There will be a mail available about what events are they organizing. So here they can directly reach people and draw the traffic, where people are going to approach clicking on the link that they are sending. Social media marketing. Social media, if I have to talk about social media, every person who has a smartphone, almost everybody, there are fake accounts created. There are people who are just addicted for using or accessing these all social media pages. Social media networking for them is everything. They are always there, they go live, they keep on posting things. Such kind of traffic, such kind of people, if we can invite to our website, that will be really good. We often come across pages, we often come across some kind of post or stories where a few seconds of demo is given, a few seconds of video is given, or maybe there are some pop-ups coming on the screen, or maybe there are advertisements placed at the below, or maybe on the left, on the right, somewhere. So this is how it can be a great way of promoting our brand, and the content again matters. Just like that, it will create brand awareness and good leads for the business. Last is pay per click. Pay per click is a way to drive traffic to your website by paying a publisher every time your ad is clicked. One of the most common PPC is Google AdWords. We are going to study Google AdWords in detail in our second unit. If there is any difficulty in understanding today's class, today's session, please let me know. Message me on Moodle. That's all for today. Thank you.